My package just arrived and look at this. I love Best Choice products. This awesome chair, rocker, outdoor recliner that I ordered came in one piece. No assembly required. Isn't that the best? This is my chair by choice. Look at this beautiful chair. I love zero gravity chairs. Rocker and all that. It is so comfortable. It has all the great benefits of zero gravity chairs. The rocking ability to sit and watch children. I gather my chairs in my backyard, and this is the one I choose. It came fully assembled right out the box. Just pull it out. And this rocker added to zero gravity is a game changer. Absolutely love it. And it has this great pillow that can come on and sit in this chair and absolutely relax. And it matches the zero gravity chairs that I have from Best Choice for my pool. But this rocker is awesome. I plan to spend many months in this chair out of the year. It is a steel gauge system for the base, and it has this really awesome textilene fabric that is weather resistant, super comfortable, very durable, and it gives you a wonderful feel when you're sitting in the chair. I highly recommend this Best Choice zero gravity rocker. You will not want to be in anything else.